Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2022 to 2024 Ford Maverick, the 107 FD12. Start the disassembly by unclipping and removing the climate control panel below the factory radio controls. Next, unclip and remove the trim panel above the factory radio screen. Then remove the 3 Phillips screws from under the panel. Unclip and remove the factory radio screen and pocket. Afterward, fully unclip and remove the factory radio controls. Remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the factory radio chassis. Then, remove the factory radio chassis . This kit comes with 2 separate parts, a trim ring and a back housing. The Pioneer 6.8 will fit into the housing and the trim ring will go on top. Once assembled, this is the final look. After assembling the Pioneer chassis brackets to the chassis, slide the chassis back to its original location. Using the factory screws, secure the chassis assembly to the dash where the factory chassis was located. Run the Pioneer RGB extension cable shown here, from the bottom to the top of the radio dash cavity. And through the opening in the radio display back panel. Finally, reassemble the dash in reverse order to complete the install. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.